Well, it is the latest in the tug-of-war between cities like Nashville and state lawmakers. Thanks for joining us at 10 tonight. I'm Rory Johnston.
And I'm Carrie Sharp. This time it's not a bill about the size of Metro Council or who controls the airport authority, but rather who gets to decide on how certain death penalty cases are prosecuted.
As News Channel 5's Jason Lamb explains, a judge has ruled that a recent law giving the state that power is unconstitutional and struck it down.
It's the latest in a spate of new laws seemingly pitting officials at the local level against state lawmakers. This state law, passed this year, gives the state attorney general the power to prosecute certain types of death penalty cases after a suspect is convicted, like asking a court to consider new evidence, requesting DNA testing, or arguing that a defendant has an intellectual disability. The law takes that power away from local elected DAs. A judge this week said that is unconstitutional.
I do think that there is a trend recently where the General Assembly has on several occasions, you just had that in Nashville with the size of your metro government, try to weigh in on what have been traditionally particular local issues.
Local DAs have usually been the ones to make prosecution decisions on all cases. In 2019, with a judge's approval, Nashville DA Glenn Funk agreed to replace the death sentence of an inmate with 3 life sentences after concerns his trial was marred by racism. Funk has also spoken out against the death penalty in other cases, like the Waffle House shooter.
Our nation is moving toward a place where you cannot execute a child, right? You cannot execute somebody with a cognitive delay. We've always taken the position that you should not execute somebody with a severe mental health issue.
The state attorney general's office says it will appeal the court decision, saying ensuring the adversarial system remains fully engaged over the life of a capital case is our obligation to the victims' families, because no family should be deprived of justice. Jason Lamb, News Channel 5.